Good morning, everyone. Time series analysis, in which this is one of the important method for yearly or for monthly or for quarterly moving average method. That is method of moving averages, but in which 4 items are to be used. Time series analysis. This is almost last chapter of this last lecture. Calculation of 4 quarterly moving averages on page number 177 in our textbook. Exercise number 4.3, example number 4. 4.3, example number 4. Example or question is given to you. Please see on page number 177. There are quarterly given data. There are 4 number of the quarters in a year, each year. April, May, June, 1 quarter. July, August, September, 1 quarter. October, November and December, 1 quarter. January, February and March, 1 quarter. There are 4 number of the quarters in each year. Means here data for 2013, 2014 and 2015 is given. How to set the data? How to write the data in your notebook or in your answer book? So Q1 and Q2 must be written consecutively. Means there is no gap. Similarly, for the last year, last 2 quarters, Q3 and Q4 should be written consecutively, means continuously, like this way. Right? After means between Q2 and Q3 there is one gap. Between Q3 and Q4 one gap. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 means whole 2013 year there are 4 quarter, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter and fourth quarter. And therefore in the time column also 90, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Now 2014, year 2014. First quarter, second quarter, third quarter and fourth quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And for the last year, 2015, Q1, Q2, this way Q3 and Q4 should be written continuously or consecutively. Means 3, 4. First, second, third, fourth quarter. First, second, third, fourth quarter. First, second, third, fourth quarter. Now the data. Index number, sale, production, rainfall, 110, 110, 125, 135, 145, 152, 155, 168. Then for the last year, 131, 124, 132 and 154. Data is given. Data should be denoted by Y. Index number or production or sales or profit, whatever may be given. Right? This is the similar method as per the last lecture. But instead of 4 year, instead of 4 month, we should write 4 quarterly moving totals. Means total of 4 items. 110, 110, 125, 135. If you make the total first 4 items, it would be 480. Then add 145 and subtract this first one, 110. Means 480 minus 110 and plus 145, it becomes 515. Same procedure as per the previous lecture. Right? Total of 4 items. 1, 2, 3, 4. But total should be written between 1, 2, 3, 4 means 2 and 3. Total must be written somewhere here. Right? Then 110 minus and 145 plus. Total should be written here. 515. Same procedure can be followed, means proceeding further. Minus 110 and add 152, it becomes 557. Next, same way. After making this total, these are known as 4 quarterly moving totals. Means total for 4 quarter. Total for 4 quarters. 480, 515, 557, 587, 620, 606, 578, 555, 540. Right? Then make the total of 2 items. And hence, the total become 480 plus 515, the total become 995. See, total of these 2 quantity, 480 and 515, total become 995. And total should be written in the sign term of these 2. Therefore, this is known as moving totals. Moving totals of 2 items or 2 values. Then 515 plus 557. Total is 1072. 557 and and 587. Total become 1144. Same way, total become total of these two 1207. Total of these two 1226. Total of these two 1184. Total of these two 1133, and total of last two values 1090. For computing 4 yearly or 4 monthly or 4 quarterly moving average is, this column should be divided by 995 divided by 1072 divided by 1144 divided by 1207 divided by 1226 divided by 1184 divided by 1133 divided by 1095 divided by. Why division with 8 only? Because if you divide a number by 4 first of all and then it divided by 2, then ultimately the division with 8. 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 2 become 1 upon 8. We know that as per the last lecture. Therefore answer become, this is known as 4 quarterly moving averages. This is the required item. It is known as trend values by using 4 quarter moving averages. Answer become 124.38. Here 134. Here 143. Here 150.88. Answer should be written in 2 digits, means approximation. Here somewhere 375, you should write 38, right? Here somewhere 875, you should write 88, right? Here 153.25, 148, 141.625, you should write 63, right? 141.63, and last 136.88. These are the values. This is also one of the important method in analysis of time series. In our book Statistics Part 1, there are 4 number of the chapter. First, index numbers. Second, linear correlation. Third one, regression analysis or linear regressions. And fourth one, analysis of time series. Part 1 contain and almost 48 number of the marks. You must progress, you must practice this part, because easy marks or easy methods by practice of the mechanical method. If you take this type of 5 example, then method must be most probably prepared for you for examination, for final examination. But you must practice very well. Example or number of the example is immaterial, but how to proceed it. What are the number of the columns and which columns are to be prepared, which procedure is to be followed, it is much more important. So from exercise, from our textbooks, from illustrations, from PDF file, from past year board papers, from Marvel papers and also board paper, right? We practice very well of this type of example, so you can get good marks. Also prepare the theory, because section A and section B, pure theory portion 10 marks, MCQ and answer in 1 sentence each. Also section C, theory for 2 marks can be asked. This chapter time series analysis also contain the theory portion. So we practice very well, and nice to meet you. Have a good day.